On installation day, our team arrives with specialized insulation blowing equipment and all of the Pro Grade Stabilized Cellulose needed to complete your project. Packages of the Pro Grade Stabilized Cellulose are fed into the hopper. A powerful, chain-driven auger breaks up and separates any large clumps into smaller, more manageable pieces that will flow freely through our hose. Next, we lightly mist the insulation. This drastically reduces dust and activates the stabilizing ingredients. Finally, the hose delivers Pro Grade Stabilized Cellulose safely into your attic. Inside the attic, we install 10 inches of Pro Grade Stabilized Cellulose to create a thick, warm blanket that covers the base of your attic, along with all of the ventilation baffles you need to ensure proper ventilation. Once installed, your Pro Grade Stabilized Cellulose will not move or settle for 25 years, providing lasting insulation performance you can rely on.
For more information about what our insulation team can do for your home, contact Pro Home Improvement today.